I wasn't particularly sold by any of the week's design until I saw this. Hi everyone, welcome to the Messy Desk. Today I have another of those "This is why I'm broke" videos, aka unboxing videos. And if any of you recognize what this is, yes, it's a scary bear from Hobonichi. And yes, today we are unboxing this huge bag of goodies from Hobonichi. Ta-da! Too big to even fit into my camera screen. I've seen on Facebook a lot of people say that theirs did not come in this bag this time, but mine did, and you'll see why in a moment. This is very heavy. So here we have one box, two box. So yep, because my orders could not fit into one box, they had it in two boxes, and that's why they need the huge external bag. Well, my box is a bit squished at the sides, but at least it's not dirty because it's protected by the bag. Okay, this is way heavier. Let's start from the lighter one. So okay, they always have a code on the box. This is this year's code. Ooh, so I ordered quite a bunch of stuff. Some are for my sis, and I'm sharing some stuff with her, like these stamps. So these are the outdoor activity stamps. I need to hang on a moment. Is there no packing list here? Let me look for my order sheet. Okay, so these are the Yoshitake adventure stamp. This is the at home, and this would be the outdoors. Okay, next up we have the weeks cover on cover clear. So I got one for myself, another for a friend. Nothing particularly special to it, I guess, except that this is my first year trying the weeks. So that's going to be exciting for me. Pencil boards. I really, really love the Hobonichi pencil boards. I would have gotten a ton of the navy ones, except that they are already out of stock by the time I went to get them. So I ended up with these instead. So a bunch for the weeks. This is the navy and pink one, which is not out of stock for the weeks. This is the only one that was still available when I went to buy it. And this is the other pink, orange, yellow thing. So then Astro Boy. Oh, this is cool. Can you see the holographic effect? I did not know that when I bought this. And this is the Inuyasha. So this time, well, you'll see in a moment. This is Mother pencil board. Those are all for the weeks. This is for the original, the A6, Inuyasha, Astro Boy, and this is Arrival by Sean Tan. So I really loved this design, but I don't use the original much. It's just too small for me. My handwriting is huge and messy, and yeah, plus I already have a original cover and didn't use it at all, so really excited to have this as a pencil board. I mean, at least it's way cheaper than a cover, so I just went for it. And now we have the original, no, the A5. Well, to me that would be original because that was the tattoo that I started out with. Let me put the box away so we have a bit more room. Inuyasha, again, just like it. Sesame Street, I think my sister got this. It's cute. And Astro Boy, just because, again, didn't know it's shiny, so That's much nicer than what I thought it originally was. Initially, it looked kind of plain, but with the holograph, that adds a nice touch. And two Animal Crossing pencil boards. So one for me, one for my sis. Um, I'm not particularly a Animal Crossing fan. Played the game. I did enjoy it, but at the same time, it was too slow moving for me. So kind of put me to sleep, which I suppose is the point of the game to kind of make you relax and all. But didn't enjoy it as much. Still, it's very cute. The graphics are lovely. If I did not already have two original A5 size covers, I might have gotten it. Okay, first thing right at the bottom that I saw. Yay! This is as you can see, the Inuyasha Weeks. So I'm not a super Inuyasha fan. Let me just open this. I wanted to try out the weeks just for like actually using it as a planner rather than journal that I've been using my cousin for. So I thought maybe this would be a good size just to plan out a few tasks every week. And I wasn't particularly sold by any of the week's design until I saw this. Not super a fan of Inuyasha, but when I saw that the description mentioned there's a holographic fall effect, I was sold like 100% just because of the fall. I have to say that I do prefer the design on the A5 more, but again, I was being a good girl, not to break the bank that much. So didn't get another cover for myself. As I mentioned, I already have two. I could show you the ones I have. So this was from maybe 3 years ago or something. Just a plain black cover and with a nice cover on top so that it's not so dull. And I got this last year, this little bird. I forgot the name, but yep. Again, most of my journal pages have been pretty empty, have not been journaling since before COVID. Not sure why I'm still buying them. Partly the FOMO, because I really love Tomoe River Paper, and Tomoe River Paper is stopping production. So, yep. In any case, really looking forward to using the weeks for this year. And these are some notebook sets that I got for this is the week size. These are in the mother pattern. I don't play the game, no idea what's it about at all, but looks pretty cool. This is the original. I don't use A6 that much. Thought I might as well just kind of stock up since I love Tome River paper a lot. It actually does come in pretty handy for traveling. So instead of bringing the whole thick and heavy ass journal like that, you can just bring one of these booklets. Like this is a set of three. Oh, and I've done that before, but with the A5 memo booklets. So that should be in the other box right here. Okay, so all the journals should be inside here. Oh, first up we have the clear covers. I got some extras for myself to replace my older covers, and I thought I might try to decorate the covers myself. So I also got an extra just in case I mess up and whatever not, I can have a replacement. So next, this is a present cover. So this is the Today Adventure cover for A5. So not mine, my sis. it's her first year trying Hobonichi journals, so I'm really excited to get her onto the Hobonichi train. I don't know what you call it, wagon train, but yeah, I hope she enjoys it. So that's hers. I forgot to mention this is the wow, this is the Doraemon clear stamps, and look, it comes with a little tiny acrylic pad to stamp with. That is so thoughtful. I wasn't expecting this, didn't see it, or maybe I just missed it when I placed the order. Because these clear stamps, if you are not familiar with them, they are really flimsy and not really meant to be used alone. You need to get an acrylic stamp pad like this to stick the stamp on here and stamp. If not, you can't get the colors coming out evenly and all that. So usually you have to buy this separately. And if you buy the branded ones, it can be pretty pricey. So it's really nice that they gave it together as a set like that. So these are the A5 memo pads that I mentioned. I'm stocking up more of them. I just love them because convenient. The paper is nice, it's thin, can bring it out. I always bring them when I go overseas, and I stocked up some of the mother patterned ones as well. And then we have the day free, Hobonichi day free, as well as two memos. Oh, great. So what I just realized is that I've totally forgotten to buy one of the journals for myself. I guess might place an order later on, we'll see. So day free is for my sister, these two memos, notebooks for myself, just like the paper, again, Tomoe River paper. And of course they have the Hobonichi pen for this year. This is a multicolored pen from Uniball. So one for the day free and one for the weeks. But because I neglected to order my own 2020 planner, so I don't have any scary bear spoon to go along. Alright, we'll see what to do about it if I really want to place another order. Or I mean, I love to have the predated notebooks, but it is true that I've not been writing much in it for the past 2 years, so I'm not sure. We'll see. Yep, this is all I've ordered in this Hobonichi Haul. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.